Hi there, welcome back to the SMSBump channel. Let's show you how to get started with your SMS marketing campaigns and how to launch your first text message promotion in Shopify. Once logged into SMSBump, click on Text Marketing in your side menu. This is where you can choose between different types of campaigns you can launch. You can select all customers, specific numbers, segments, or A/B testing campaigns. For now, let's show you how to launch a text message campaign to all of your Shopify customers. To start, you need to define your target audience. You have a few options. First is all the subscribers in your Shopify store who have a phone number and accept marketing. Second is specific customers you select by name. And the third one is custom filters. The custom filters let you narrow down your customer base and reach a precise segment of your audience. For instance, you can reach all the customers who spent over $50 in your store. Narrow it down even further by specifying a time period, like the last 30 days. Nail them down even more if you want to target a specific location or a country. These custom filters let you build targeted SMS marketing campaigns and reach high-value customers with special deals just for them, or segment your audience based on behavior, interests, and location in general. For our example, we'll stick to all subscribers. Underneath, the sender field lets you choose a specific phone number you'd like the message to be sent from. But in general, this should remain at the default setting since SMSBump sends all messages from a short number, otherwise known as a short code. Next is the message schedule link. You can either send your text message right away or schedule it for a future date and time. For example, let's create an SMS campaign for Black Friday. This year, the holiday is on November 29th, and we'll schedule it to go out in the afternoon around 3:30 p.m. Now, the most powerful setting for the campaign scheduling is this checkbox here. Enabling it allows you to send your messages based on the recipient's time zone. So when the clock hits 3:30 in each time zone, that's when the messages will be sent. This makes sure that all your customers around the globe receive it at the time you scheduled it. Moving on to the campaign name, which is pretty self-explanatory, and reaching the Smart Sending field. The first setting will prevent SMSBump from sending to customers who recently received a message from your store. You can define the interval in hours. The second setting will let you send the campaign anyways, regardless of when the customers last received a message from you. This is something you need to decide for each campaign you're sending out. And now the fun part, images. SMSBump lets you add images and GIFs to your text messages to turn them from SMS to MMS, which stands for Multimedia Messaging Service. You can add GIFs using the Jiffy integration or free stock photos from the Pexels integration. Simply enter a phrase and choose the visuals that will be most relevant to your campaign. Of course, you can upload your own image, which is what we'll do right now. Since it's a Black Friday promotion, we've prepared the appropriate banner for our text message campaign. The mobile preview shows you how everything is going to look for your recipients. Final step, the text message itself. First, let's start from the best practices you always need to remember for SMS marketing. Number 1, always use your store name. This is the short code for it, and you should always have it in the beginning of your messages. Why? Because your customers need to recognize your brand instantly, so they know who they're getting the message from. Number 2, it's nice to address customers personally by including at least their first name. We have a short code for that will insert the customer name you have in your store. The results will look like this. Number 3, make your message short, to the point, with the main offer clearly stated in the beginning. This is how SMS works the best. Number 4, add your discount inside the link. Click the checkbox here and configure the discount you want to give in this promotion. For instance, it can be a fixed amount, percentage discount, or free shipping, which we'll go with. Whatever discount you choose, it will automatically be embedded in the link you add, so customers will see the amount deducted at their checkout. You can either leave the field empty if you want the discount to be site-wide, or paste the URL to the page you want the discount to be valid for, a collection page or a product page. Number 5, always add the unsubscribe option. Click the Add to Stop to Opt Out checkbox and arrange the unsubscribe option where you want it to fit inside the message. Our recommendation is to separate every important element with a new line, so they are clearly separated in the text message as it's shown here. And that's basically it. Click Review and Send Campaign to take a look at the final details, and if everything is fine, click the Send Now button. If you're running a campaign without a delay, it will start sending out the messages right away. If you're going with a scheduled campaign, your messages will be set to send out on the date and time you've selected. You can view all the details and controls in the Scheduled Campaign section, where everything important is listed. You can reschedule the campaign here, or you can cancel it here. And you're ready to go! Try launching a campaign with SMSBump today, and let us know how it goes. Give us a like if this video helped you be better with your SMS marketing, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching!